Hello viewers, welcome to Elimu TV where you watch and learn. I'm your tutor Alex Musawa and I'll be taking you through Chemistry Form 1, lesson number 27. Our topic is simple classification of substances and our subtopic is effect of heat on substances. The objectives of this lesson are to describe what happens when naphthalene is heated and cooled. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Matter exists in three physical states, namely solid, liquid, and gases. A substance can exist in any of the three states depending on the prevailing temperature. That means that when we heat solids, liquids, and gases, there's something that is going to change or happen to them. For example, let's look heating naphthalene. What happens when we heat naphthalene? When naphthalene is heated, its temperature rises steadily until it starts to melt. At this point, the temperature remains constant. As you can see, from point A to B, the temperature has rose up to 79 degrees, and then it remains constant. Between B and C, the temperature is constant until all the naphthalene has melted. Then the temperature starts to rise again. From C to D, you can see that the temperature is rising again. At this point, the temperature also goes to a point and then it starts evaporating. So what happens here is that between A and B, the temperature increases steadily as the naphthalene absorbs heat energy. The heat absorbed increases the kinetic energy of the particles and they vibrate more vigorously. Between region B and C, the temperature remains constant until all the naphthalene melts. Here, the heat supplied is used to weaken the forces of attraction holding the particles of naphthalene together. The particles therefore move far apart. As a result, the naphthalene changes its state from solid to liquid. Between regions C and D, temperature rises steadily as the liquid naphthalene absorbs heat energy. The heat supplied increases further the kinetic energy of the particles, causing them to move fast. As you can see, that is the heating curve. It's an example of a heating curve of naphthalene. And that is the cooling curve. That is the cooling curve from liquid to solid, plus liquid and then to solid. Then we have, that is the heating curve of a pure substance. It has a sharp melting point. As you can see, the melting point is very sharp. That proves to us that the substance is pure. Next, and that is the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you. What is the boiling and the melting point of a substance? Number 2, how does heating cause melting? Our reference comes from KLB Book 1, 5th edition, 2019. And for more information, contact us on our phone number, on YouTube, Elimu TV, on Facebook, Elimu TV, on Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.